Sophia here for my great challenge. I haven't done a haul, an Aldi haul in quite some time. Scott just got back from the supermarket, so I'm going to show you what we got, and we are on a budget. So it's $150 and it should cover our family of 4. We still have a lot of supplies in the fridge and the freezer in the garage, but it should cover us for most of the week. Okay, so what do we have? And then I'll tell you a little bit about each product if you have an Aldi. This is the equivalent of the Downy fabric softener, Tendil. Hey, it smells really nice and it does the job. And then this is the equivalent of the Gain. That's their version of it. We like it. It says right here, compare to Gain, and it smells just like Gain. We like it. You don't need a lot. Plus I have one of those HE machines, so that's really working out for me. It doesn't suds too much. We got white rice, earthly white rice, gluten-free, cholesterol-free food, 0 trans fat per serving. Okay, it's just rice. All right. These are for Weight Watchers purposes. These are only 1 point per string cheese. They are the Fit Active, individually wrapped, and if you are looking for calorie count, 50 calories per stick and 200 milligrams of sodium and less than 1 gram of sugar. These are really good. We got juice for the kids. We have cranberry juice, and then this one should be 100% grape juice, so that's for the kids. These are grapefruit salsa water. For those of you who don't know, we do not drink soda. If you ever see Diet Coke in the house, it's not ours, it's our friends. We drink salsa. And this may stop actually, because I'm kind of getting tired of it. I asked Scott to buy a cake mix because I have to make a cake for work sometimes this week. We have non-fat Greek yogurt. This one is actually really good, and if you're on Weight Watchers, 0 point. This is the meat. We have some meatballs and burgers and fish. So this is the rest of the meat. We have some pork chops here. This was $5.13, and there is 5 large pork chops, so that's not bad. I can cube them, put them in a soup, or cube them, put them in some kind of stew. This was $7.37 for the whole packet, and we got 2.69 pounds of chicken breast tenderloin. So these are bread, or I just grill them, or I marinate them. There's a lot of things you can do with that, and quite frankly, this is a lot of meat. That's actually more like 2.5 meals out of this, so definitely some lunch is going to happen out of those. Paper towel, that's their brand. It's the same thing as Bounty, and then this is their equivalent of Angel Soft toilet paper. In here we have flour tortillas. I think there's a burrito in the making. Okay, so that's that. And then we have some cherry tomatoes. See, you heard that? That's Scott and his salsa water. These are berries for what it looks. Yes, we have raspberries, blackberries, and we should have some blueberries as well. The cookies for all the boys in the house. Scott is addicted to that. Scott is addicted to those. The kitchen sink cookies. There's pretty much everything in there. We got 2 tomato sauce, 1 tomato basil, and then the other one is marinara sauce. So that's for pasta dinners, and then meatballs or whatever. Asparagus spears, 1 pack. Broccoli florets, 1 pack. These are frozen. This is broccoli stir fry, and a pack of oven roasted unsalted almond. This is mesclun for salad. Over here we have all manner of pasta. It's mostly rotinis. What else do you get? Penne, so I can do some penne vodka sauce, so I can do some and more rotini, so I can do dishes other than boring spaghettis. Here's another cake, lemon pound cake. Yum. Okay, the kids like it when I make cakes, so I'm trying to normalize life as much as I can. Fudge brownies, yummy, and then 2 cornbread. These are great because very often I make a cornbread to go with at dinner. The kids love it, and it makes Willie eat a little bit more. This is dog food, you know, big bag of dog food. We have lime for adult beverages. We have crinkle cuts, French fried potatoes. These are actually not bad, and we cook them in the toaster oven. Meatballs. Use them for soups, use them with marinara sauce, you can use them darkened, you can do a lot of meals with that. This about 64 meatballs, so if everybody, it's about 2 meals altogether. Okay, this is a pork loin, and look at the price, $8.81 for a half pork loin. This is going to stay in the fridge tonight, and I'm going to put it in the roaster tomorrow. I may actually just cut it in half so that way I have 2. And then we have more broccoli stir fry, some extra fine green beans. These are the coffee pods for the Keurig. So we have the Colombian, which I don't like because it's too strong. We have some hazelnut, and my favorite one, the French vanilla. And the rest is all cat food. So all of this is for everybody, the kids, the adults, the pets, and some cleaning supplies, $150. Down below, you let me know, do you like going to Aldi? Do you get any of these products? And what product from Aldi do you recommend? I will see you later. Thanks for watching, you guys. Bye.